I am a small business owner. How do I choose my website designer? Identify your needs. Every business has unique needs. A restaurant might need a site that showcases its menu, while an e-commerce store requires secure payment processing and inventory tracking. Maybe you need a booking system, live chat, or integration with your social media. Identifying required features will help narrow down designers experienced with those tools. Future scalability. If you foresee your business growing, you'll want a site that can grow with it without requiring a total overhaul. Budget. While it's tempting to go for the cheapest option, remember that your website is an investment. Additionally, studying competitors or admired websites gives insights into design trends in your industry. Read reviews and testimonials. These provide a perspective on the designer's professionalism, reliability, and responsiveness. Technical know-how. With evolving web standards, ensure the designer is up to date. Timeline and process. Understanding the designer's workflow helps set realistic expectations. This includes stages like conceptualization, design mock-ups, development, testing, and launch. Knowing your designer will be around to provide this is crucial. A designer who understands this can better capture and convey your business's essence. Training. If you're using a content management system, CMS, like WordPress, it's helpful to have some knowledge of how to update content, add blog posts, or manage user comments. Training sessions post-launch can empower you to handle minor website tasks. In conclusion, while this